Building an outdoor kitchen with pavestone, RumbleStone, and QUIKRETE countertop mix. An outdoor kitchen is a great focal point of any backyard and perfect for entertaining year-round. An outdoor kitchen can be a simple design like a barbecue grill enclosure or as elaborate as you can imagine, with a built-in refrigerator, a barbecue grill, and even a sink. Regardless of how elaborate or simple your design, Pavestone and QUIKRETE have the products and resources you need to successfully build your dream outdoor kitchen, with professional results at a fraction of the cost. Pavestone's RumbleStone building blocks are ideal for constructing your outdoor kitchen base, and then top it off with a beautiful and durable concrete countertop made with QUIKRETE countertop mix. Pavestone's 5 standard modular RumbleStone designs can be customized to fit your specific needs. The construction process is quick and easy for even the most novice do-it-yourselfer. The mortarless RumbleStone system combines 3 sizes of building blocks: large, medium, and minis that are simply stacked, with each layer permanently bonded together with QUIKRETE Advanced Polymer Construction Adhesive Caulk. Plus, Bullet brand 5-burner built-in stainless steel natural gas grills are designed to fit perfectly within the 38.5-inch module opening. And the refrigerator module's 21-inch opening will accommodate most standard outdoor refrigerators. To get started, measure and stage the first course of RumbleStone corner blocks according to the design pattern, and snap a chalk line on each side of the block wall as a reference line to ensure that your corners are square and your base walls are straight. To protect the surrounding concrete, use painter's tape to secure plastic sheeting along the chalk line on all sides. Concrete slabs are often sloped to allow for drainage, so it's important to create a level base for your outdoor kitchen. Because there are no mortar joints in this construction technique, your first course of block will ultimately determine if your countertop will be level and square. Place the 4 corner blocks, then, using a 4-foot-long level, check to see if the base slab is level in all directions. For longer distances, a flat 2x4 can be used along with the level. Lifting the 2x4 to level will give a good idea of how high the corner blocks will need to be set. If the base slab is not level, set your 4 corner blocks using QUIKRETE sand topping mix at the proper height and make sure all corners of the block are level. For this application, the sand topping mix should be mixed to a workable consistency, but firm enough to support the weight of a large RumbleStone block. Always wear waterproof gloves and eye protection when mixing cement mixes. If a corner block is too high, lightly tap the RumbleStone with a trowel or rubber mallet to adjust the block. After the 4 corners are set, lay about a 1/2-inch bed of QUIKRETE sand mix, the width of a RumbleStone block, along the inside of the perimeter chalk line. Begin by placing the next RumbleStone block according to the diagram. Then adjust the block so that it's even and level with the previous block. Check side to side and front to back. Continue to place the RumbleStone blocks, checking that each block is level in all directions and the front edge of the block is aligned with the perimeter line. When you are building the first course, it is important to consider where the electrical cord for the refrigerator will enter the base. This can be accommodated by removing one of the RumbleStone minis from the pattern. Once the sand mix mortar has become thumbprint hard, use a jointing tool to consolidate and smooth the surface of the mortar. After completing the first course, and before the mortar bed has set hard, pull up on the tape and plastic, vertically, around the perimeter of the base. This will provide a clean mortar bed edge. Allow the first course to stand undisturbed until the mortar bed has become firm. This usually takes about an hour. You are now ready to complete the outdoor kitchen base. Pavestone RumbleStone is a mortarless building system, so you will use QUIKRETE Advanced Polymer Construction Adhesive to permanently bond each course of blocks. This environmentally friendly adhesive is a solvent and isocyanate-free. It's a high-performance, commercial-grade bonding adhesive designed to bond concrete, masonry, and stone. Always wear gloves and protective eyewear when working with adhesives. Cut the tip of the nozzle so that a minimum of a 1/4 inch bead of caulk will be dispensed. Then apply the construction adhesive liberally across the entire course of blocks. One 10-ounce tube will bond 19 lineal feet at a 1/4 inch bead. For this configuration, you will need just over 1 tube per layer. Then begin placing the next layer of RumbleStone according to the diagram. Twist each block slightly to spread the adhesive, and then position each piece so that it is flush with the front of the base and snug against the previously placed block. Complete the remaining courses until the base configuration is complete. It is not necessary to wait for the adhesive to cure before proceeding to the next layer. The advanced polymer construction adhesive will become tack-free in about an hour. With the block base complete, the obvious complement for the countertop is concrete. It's as durable and beautiful as granite, marble, and other premium countertop materials, but at a fraction of the cost. Like the RumbleStone Outdoor Kitchen base, concrete countertops are also a do-it-yourself friendly project, whether they are poured beforehand or after the base is assembled. The process will usually take a few days to complete, so plan accordingly. Remember, concrete countertops are heavy. Safely moving and lifting the slabs into place will require at least 2 people. Because the slabs are heavy and the RumbleStone base is wide, no construction adhesive is necessary to hold the countertops in place. It is important to seal the countertops from the elements with QUIKRETE Acrylic Concrete Cure and Seal. Acrylic Cure and Seal is a water-based, semi-gloss, clear acrylic sealer designed to seal concrete surfaces from water, dirt, oils, and grease. Next, assemble the stainless steel base cabinet and bolt the bullet 5-burner grill to the cabinet. Carefully lift the grill into position. The grill will fit snugly into the 38.5 inch wide opening and be supported by flanges on both sides and the back of the grill. Then slide in a standard-sized stainless steel outdoor refrigerator into the 21-inch opening. With your outdoor kitchen complete, it's time to invite friends and family over for your next outdoor cookout.